Hello students, this is Vivek Srivastava sir, and today I am going to define you geography. The chapter is resource. So first we have to know the definition of resource. It means what is a resource. So see the definition: a supply of something, a piece of equipment. It means a supply of something or any kind of equipment. It can be rapidly drawn upon when required, when needed. That is known as resource. Okay. Now, after knowing the definition of resource, we have to know the types of resources. So there are two types of resources. The first is natural resource and the second is man-made resource. So in the first topic, natural resource. From the name we can easily understand anything that we get directly from the nature is known as natural resources. For example, water, air, forest and all type of animals that can enter the category of natural resources. The second topic is man-made resource. Again from the name, man-made. It means it will be made by a man. So in this topic, we have to know that everything that is made by a human or decorated by a human is known as a man-made resource. Examples for this resource will be travel and transport. Travel and transport, multi-purpose projects. In projects we can see dams, wind energy, solar energy, sea links, it means bridges, and solar panel. Engineering works, these all came into the category of man-made resources. So, on defining the natural resource, we can, I have created a diagram here. You can see easily natural resource. Now it is divided into three types, three parts. The first part is origin. It means from where it occurs. The second topic is development and uses. It means what is how the natural resource developed and what are their uses. And third topic, stock and distributions. It means where it has been stocked and where to distribute it. Now see in the first topic, origin, we can easily see on the board biotic and abiotic. It means natural resource get into two parts. First topic is biotic and second topic is abiotic. And in the developmental use, you can see on the board potential. First topic is potential and second topic is actual. In stock and distribution list, we can see non-renewable and localizable. It means this kind of resource is once exhausted, it cannot be renewable. And second thing is renewable and ubiquitous. So I will explain you these topics, a hint of these topics from the book. Let us see the book. Okay, biotic. What is a biotic resource? So we can see biotic means they are obtained from living organism like animal, plants, etc. All the biotic resources are capable of reproduction and regeneration. This is the main category of this biotic resource. It means it will regenerate. Okay, and the abiotic thing, it is they are obtained from non-living or Second thing, some aquatic resources like water and air are not renewable. If once water exhausts ends, it cannot be renewed. Okay? In the second topic, potential and actual, we are going to see what is potential. These resources exist in our region and could be used in the coming future. Understand? It will be used in coming future, but they have not been developed to their full potential yet. For example, river Brahmaputra flows with great volume of water, but there are no dams constructed across in the Indian region. Second topic, actual. What is actual? These resources can be put to actual use as through detailed survey. Their quality and quantity have been assessed properly. For example, iron ore and deposits in India, coal deposits in India. These are known as actual resources. Actual means we have, I have. The third thing is non-renewable and localized. It means what is non-renewable? It can be explained easily from the name. Non-renewable means if once exhausted, it cannot be came into use. Renewable resources are the inexhaustible resources as they do not get exhausted even after continuous use. In this kind of resource, we can write the name of solar energy. Solar, we know that the sun never exhausts, so it will be counted in this type of resource. Okay then, that's all for today's class. See on the board, take a screenshot of this topic and prepare more and more for examinations. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks.